Hey everyone, welcome back to Abasi Autos Tech. Today we're bringing you something extraordinary. We're in Japan at one of the most advanced car manufacturing facilities in the world, Toyota's state-of-the-art plant. But here's the twist. There's no assembly line workers here. Instead, robots are taking over the production of these world-famous dream cars. Take a look at these high-tech robots. They've replaced traditional manual labor in many areas of the production line, increasing efficiency and precision. Each robot here is programmed to handle specific tasks, from welding parts together to lifting heavy components that would be too difficult for humans to handle. Here we see one of the most fascinating processes, robotic welding. These robots work with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring that every weld is perfectly placed. This level of precision not only boosts safety, but also enhances the overall quality of the car. Next up, check this out. Robots install large parts like the engine and doors, all with unbelievable speed and precision. Not a single bolt is misplaced. The system is so advanced it can even detect if a part is out of alignment and adjust automatically. Now here's a step most people don't get to see: the automated paint shop. Robots apply layers of paint in a clean, dust-free environment. The car bodies are treated to a high-tech paint process that ensures a smooth, even finish every time. Once the car is fully assembled, it's not over yet. Robots continue the work, performing stringent quality control checks. These sensors scan the car's surface, looking for even the smallest defect. It's all about perfecting every inch of the vehicle. And here it is, the final product. With a combination of robotics, AI, and automation, Toyota is able to produce top-tier vehicles with incredible precision and speed. This isn't just the future of car manufacturing, it's happening right now. So there you have it, guys. The robots are not just the future of the automotive industry, they are shaping it today. Thanks to these advanced technologies, companies like Toyota are making cars smarter, safer, and more efficient than ever before. We've just witnessed the magic behind the dream cars you see on the road. If you enjoyed this look inside Toyota's innovative factory, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. This is Abasi Autos Tech, and we'll see you in the next one.